Okay, so I have ordered these forks. Just came in the mail. Have not yet put them on. But that's what they're going on. I got the very smallest they make, which is 30 inches from here to there. And it's the very smallest because this is not even a tractor. That's a garden tractor. And the weight capacity is not much. And all I really want to do is just have the forks on there where I could carry pallets with small things. And I'm building this house and I got lumber everywhere to move around. And that's mainly what I got the forks for, is to move that lumber around. So we'll see what it looks like. Well, I couldn't really video and pick them up at the same time, but that's it. I successfully picked them up. Yeah, you can't really see in there, but anyway, it's that just gives you a bigger platform to move things around. So I got all that and all that junk that needs to be moved, and it won't fit in the bucket. So, and evidently you can put a piece of wood in here, make a a back stand to stack wood up on. And as you see, this is not a very strong machine, but it's just strong enough to move that stuff. So anyway, that's what I got right now. Well, there's 2 pallets there stacked up, and so far I'm liking it. It is hard to see from the seat. I really can't see it. I have to stand up to see the tips of the forks. But the way this works, that's pretty easy. But that's what you got to do. But so far I like it. Beneficial. I just put a little block of wood I had laying in there on that. Probably could use some taller ones. All right. I'll just stick my forks down in that gravel, picking it up without even getting off the tractor. Pretty neat.